Want to level up your home tech? From a smart motion activated faucet to a hologram device, these cool gadgets have the tech your futuristic home needs. Sure, you have got a smart doorbell, an AI security system, and plenty of Alexa-enabled gadgets to take your house one step further. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the 10 coolest home gadgets in 2022. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. Number 1. Amazon Echo Studio. For years, we didn't pay much attention to the sound of intelligent speakers because we thought a speaker couldn't be both innovative and sound good. Before we found the Amazon Echo Studio, that was the case. Amazon's Echo Studio is its best smart speaker so far. It is a loudspeaker with many smart homes, assistant tech, and intelligent audio features. At its best, its 3D audio effects give your favorite songs a new life. And that's not even mentioning how it can connect to your Amazon Fire TV devices to provide you with the more immersive sound experience. The Echo Studio is also a Zigbee hub, which means it can connect to over 1,000 smart home devices right out of the box. This makes it perfect for a smart home. Number 2. Philips Hue. The easiest way to start making your home smarter is with the best smart light bulbs, and the Philips Hue is the best one on the market. Easy to set up. Switch your old bulbs for smart Hue bulbs. You can also choose from Hue's wide range of LED table and floor lamps, wall lights for indoor and outdoor use, ceiling pendants, light strips, and even light bars. They are easy to use and come in various colors and effects. During our tests, we also found several different scheduling options. For example, we could set outdoor lights to turn on at sunset and turn off at 2 am instead of waiting until sunrise. You'll need the Philips Bridge, which is like a hub for your lights if you want to control them when you are not at home. They have Bluetooth built in, so you can prevent them when you're close by. But this also adds support for HomeKit to the integration with Alexa and Google Assistant. They are also the most expensive smart bulbs on the market, but we think they are worth every penny. Number 3. Arlo Pro 4. It is easy to see why people who care about home security like Arlo. Even though the Arlo Pro 4 doesn't have a 4K resolution like the more expensive Arlo Ultra and Arlo Ultra 2, the quality is still very good at 2K, which most people will find clear enough. The Arlo Pro camera can connect directly to your Wi-Fi, so it doesn't come with a base station. This makes it cheaper, but even though it works with Alexa and Google Assistant, you need that base station if you want it to work with HomeKit. During tests, it took clear, detailed color footage during the day and night. Thanks to built-in spotlight, this feature, like the built-in alarm, also helps keep people out. There is also automatic zooming and motion tracking, so the source of any activity is not only found but also followed. Unfortunately, if you want to use many of its innovative features to cut down on unwanted alerts, you have to pay a monthly fee, but you get a 3-month trial. Number 4. Eve Energy. A smart plug is an easy way to automate your home, and every intelligent home needs one. But the Intelligent Energy Eve plug does more than just let you control things plugged into it. It also enables you to track how much energy you use and estimate how much it will cost to certain power things in your home. This is great if you want to spend less money and use less energy. The smart plug uses Bluetooth, but if you have a HomePod Mini or Apple TV at home, you can also use Thread, another wireless technology built into the plug. Thread is more stable than Wi-Fi and stops intelligent home devices from not working when they should. But the smart plug only works with Apple's HomeKit. It won't work with Google Assistant or Alexa. It worked well in test and had a lot of valuable features, like being able to set schedules, so we choose it as the best smart plug on the market. Number 5. Eufy Video Doorbell 2K. If you're looking for the best video doorbell, we think the Eufy Doorbell 2K is your best bet. It strikes a good balance between price, reliability, and performance. During tests, it took clear, detailed picture both during the day and night. It has a 4:3 aspect ratio, which lets you see almost the whole length of someone standing on your doorstep. What's the best? It can be used without a subscription because it has a 16 GB of memory in the base station that comes with it. Eufy says this is enough for about 2 weeks. The battery-powered doorbell is good if you rent and can't can't get rid of the old one. It works wirelessly with the help of a hub that connects your router. You can throw it outside, which will work for up to 6 months, but the battery can't be changed, so the doorbell won't work when it needs to be charged, and it doesn't work with HomeKit. Number 6. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Nest was one of the first companies to use machine learning to help heat and cool your home. Since then, it has been called the best company that makes smart thermostat. The Nest Learning Thermostat is easy to use and looks nice. When we tested it, it changed our heating schedule based on how long it took our house to heat up and cool down, saving us energy and money. The Nest Learning Thermostat works with Google Assistant but doesn't work with HomeKit. Also, it doesn't have zone control like many other smart thermostats, so you can't change the temperature in each room separately. However, for most people, this is all they need. Number 7. August Smart Lock Pro. The August Smart Lock Pro is one of the most accessible intelligent lock to install, but it has so many features that is currently the best smart lock you can buy. It fits over your existing deadbolt and lets you or your landlord keep using your old key even though you now have a more brilliant lock. During our tests, it worked well and was strong enough that we couldn't get around it in any way. It works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit only makes us like it more. Compared to most other innovative home products, it is big expensive, but if you want to make your home smarter and safer, it is worth the money. Number 8. Google Nest Cam. The Google Nest Cam is another popular smart security gadget. It can be installed inside or out and offers a 24/7 video feed. This is in 1080p HD with a 130-degree view. Along with being waterproof and having a two-way mic system for conversations, it is also battery-powered and very easy to install. Number 9. SimpliSafe. The clue is in the name. SimpliSafe's security system is a breeze to install and use. There is a heap of different bundles to choose from, or you can build a custom package from scratch, starting with cameras and moving up to panic buttons and glass break sensors. Professional monitoring costs a monthly fee, but SimpliSafe still works as a local alarm without it. Number 10. Canary Pro. Any movement detected in Canary's night vision mode with infrared LED triggers a notification and allow you to call authorities easily with the app. Its high-quality recordings, great for securing convictions, can be streamed in real time and stored for up to 30 days in the cloud. It also comes with a siren you can sound to scare away intruders. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know your favorite gadgets in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and we'll be back soon with another video.